What's up, guys? We got two charging cases here today and we're gonna unbox them and review it, so let's get right into it. So in unboxing these charging cases, it's actually really high quality packaging. As you can see right here, this is a reusable plastic box that it comes in. You're also presented here with a instruction slip right here, and wow, here's the case. It is a beauty, made out of military grade material and has a high capacity battery to charge your cell phone. These cases are designed for the iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 7 Plus, and iPhone 8 Plus. Yeah, they do have a audio jack port at the bottom of them for the iPhone 6 Plus, so that's a great feature. As you can see right here inside, you got the instructions on how to properly put your cell phone into the case, because you do not want to break the 6-pin connector inside of the case that charges the phone. Also in here we get another instruction booklet and some wipes, alcohol wipes and dry wipes to clean off your screen, and some dust removers. What's nice is they provide you with two tempered glass screen protectors, very high quality and clear screen protectors. I've used these type before and they're excellent. I actually have one on my phone currently right now. They include two just in case one breaks, so that is a great feature to have here. Now on to the blue one right here. If you notice down in the right hand corner, it says the colors of the cases. I have the black one currently on my phone and it works fantastic. I love it. We're gonna unbox this one right here. Personally, the blue case is just beautiful. It's not too dark, it's not too bright, it's just the perfect blue. As you can see here in the back, it has the power on button, and once the lights come on, you can see how much juice your case still has inside of it. Now, if you guys are wondering what type of specs this has, it has an input of 1A volt and it has an output of 1A 5 volt. So this is a just a normal charging case, like if you were going to charge it in your wall. Now this has a new type of battery called Li-polymer cell battery. It's very safe, it's new technology, and lasts a lot longer. Your phone's not going to be blowing up or anything. What's nice is this battery is the top grade cell battery that is just the most safest to use on a cell phone case.